Enabling and disabling the Silence Unknown Callers feature on the iPhone 15 is crucial as it allows you to manage and filter incoming calls, reducing disturbances from unknown numbers while ensuring calls from known contacts and recent outgoing calls still come through. In this video, we'll explore how to enable or disable the Silence Unknown Callers feature on the iPhone 15 series. To start, let's navigate back to the home screen by swiping upwards from the bottom of the display. Once on the home screen, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and select Phone. Proceed further down and select Silence Unknown Callers. On this menu, you'll see the option to Silence Unknown Callers. Tap on the toggle button to either enable or disable this feature. When this feature is enabled, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, redirected to voicemail, and displayed in the recent call list. However, incoming calls from numbers in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions will still ring. Essentially, this feature is similar to blocking unknown callers, but instead of outright rejecting the call, it sends the call to voicemail. Also ensure that the Do Not Disturb focus is not enabled on your iPhone. Remember, Do Not Disturb will silence all incoming calls and notifications, including their sound alerts on your iPhone. To access and manage this feature, go to your iPhone settings and then tap on Focus. Select Do Not Disturb Focus Profile and then toggle the switch off to disable it completely or set necessary incoming call exceptions. Also verify that your iPhone is not set to silent mode. To check, just head straight to the control center and then see if the bell icon has a slash through it. If it does, then your iPhone is silent mode and therefore you'll need to tap on the icon to switch back to ring mode. And that covers everything in this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more relevant content. Thank you for watching.